Hey guys, happy new year and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do something different with you guys. I know I'm normally doing makeup tutorials pretty much most of the time. I figured because it's January, we're in the new year, that I would do a get to know me video. I guess tell you a few things about myself, some random things, and just some basic things about me. If you wanted to learn a few more things about me, get to know me more as a person, then stay tuned and keep watching. So first things first, before we get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below, and then also too, don't forget to comment and like. Tell me your thoughts on this video, and then let's go ahead and jump into the first thing. First things you guys should know, you see my name, it says MUA Donaisha. Some people, I guess, who aren't in the makeup industry, they say Moi Donaisha. It stands for makeup artist. It's just short, MUA. Short for makeup artist. MUA Donaisha. Don is my first name, Aisha is my middle name. Okay, so most people who've been on me for a long time, family, things like that, they call me Don Aisha or just Aisha. And I've been doing makeup for the last, I think it'll be 15 years in October. Yeah, it'll be 15 years in October. My background comes from, I've done freelance. I still do freelance. I do makeup now on the side. Sometimes I still do it, mainly on weekends, nights. Not every night, but just whenever needed, opportunities right or whatever. But mainly I just do it on the weekends. I mainly do weddings. I used to do a lot of photo shoots. I've done all types of the magazine covers. I don't know if some of you people who live here in Houston, if you've heard of or if you remember 002 magazine, I did a cover for them. Who else? I used to freelance for MAC Cosmetics in 2009, I think, yeah, 2009. And for those of you who don't know what a freelance makeup artist is, if you're new to the industry, freelance makeup artist, basically someone calls you, say a bride will call you, hey, we want to go out and we want you to come out and do a bridal consultation. Sometimes they don't want a bridal consultation, they just want you to come out, do them the whole wedding party at a venue. And I've probably done up to 12, 15 people by myself. Of course, I was dead by the end of the day, but I did it. And I've done it often, done it quite a few times. So after a while, you just get used to it. So that's what a freelance makeup artist does. They go out, contract themselves out, and they get paid. They don't split the money with anybody. They're not selling product. I don't sell product anyway. You can charge whatever your fee is that you charge, and you go out and you do that. Now, when I freelanced for MAC Cosmetics, I went out and, what happened? I started at one counter, and I would work that one counter for like 3 or 4 days a week. I think the max that you could work back then was 29 hours during a full week. That's all you could work. So I would work at a counter for 3 or 4 weeks, and I guess the managers, they all got on the phone, they talked or whatever, and then I started going out. I've worked at pretty much every mall here in Houston except Deerbrook, the Woodlands, and Memorial City Mall. I think those are the only malls I did not work at. All of the other malls I did work at. I even went as far as Baybrook, and she wanted me to come out there. The manager then at that time wanted me to come out and work there permanently, but I live way on the other side of town, like an hour away, so it was kind of far for me to be driving every day. I did that, freelanced at pretty much all those counters. I would do a day or two here, a week there, 3 or 4 days here, but no more than 29 hours a week. And it was a great experience. So the next thing, you guys, a lot of people get really surprised when I tell them this, but I am very shy. Most people that know me, after they know me for a while, they be like, okay, whatever, you're not shy. I'm not shy once I get to know you, but in the very beginning, some people may see me as offstandish. Some people might even say I'm bougie. That's not even the case. I'm just shy. I'm not good with meeting new people. You know what I mean? If you come up to me, I'm not going to be ugly to you. I'll be friendly to you, but I'm not the type to go to a person like, oh, hey, my name is Dawn. And yeah, that's not me. It's just not me. But if that person would have come to me, then, we would just talk or whatever, and the friendship will go from there. But I'm just not outgoing. I guess I should put it that way. I'm not very outgoing. And it's not because I may not want to get to know whoever, make new friends or whatever. I've always been this way ever since I was a little girl. I'm just shy. I'm just not, I don't know, just not that outgoing. But once you get to know me, I'm a whole bunch of fun. So, and those of you that know me know that. So this YouTube channel, like even doing this YouTube channel, I do it because, you know, I do it for the art. I do it for the creativity. I love doing makeup. I used to do it full time. Now I just do it, you know, on the side. I freelance on the side. I don't work for a store. I don't work for a brand or anything like that. I do it. This is, you know, makeup is my passion. It's one of my passions. It's something that I just love to do. And I love making people feel beautiful inside and out. Done makeup on individuals and they're like, wow, you know, and they start crying and all that kind of stuff because they never seen themselves in this type of way. Some people, it makes them look good. It makes them see themselves in another type of way. And you really can enhance a person's beauty with makeup. I'm not one for a surgery, but for people who, you know, I'm not knocking the people who do go out and have surgery or whatever, but to each his own. But I just feel like you can enhance your beauty with makeup. Another thing you guys should know about me is that I am left-handed. I'm a lefty. And you know some of the things that they say about left-handed people. Hold on, let me see. What are some of the things that I read? Amazing facts about left-handed people. Some of the things that I've read. Left-handed people are more likely to have allergies. That sounds about right. I have really bad allergies. More prone to have migraines. That sounds about right. I get migraines often. Left-handed people use the right side of the brain most. Left-handed people are better at multitasking. I'm pretty good at that. Left-handed people, I've heard this before, left-handed people are more likely to pursue creative careers. Out of 8 of the most recent U.S. presidents, 4 have been left-handed. I think I read somewhere else that the last 6 presidents that we've had were left-handed. I'll have to double check on that because this is saying something totally different. Left-handed college graduates go on to become 26% richer than right-handed graduates. That's interesting. Okay, so let's get to a few random things that you guys, I'm sure you don't know about me. My number one food weakness. My number one food weakness is chocolate chip cookie dough. It's just the best thing ever. Like, that's dessert to me. It's something I've been doing since I was a kid. My mom used to make cookies. I used to help her, watch her make cookies, whatever she would teach me. I would taste that dough, and you know they say you're not supposed to eat cookie dough with raw egg in it, but I think I've been doing it so long. I'm immune to it. I've never got sick from it. I like nibble off of it. You know, I'll make it, like I'll make cookies or something for my son or for whatever the family, and I'll be nibbling off the dough. It's just like, it's so good to me. Like, it's the best thing on earth. I've actually went to the grocery store and I purchased the edible cookie dough. I think it doesn't have egg in it. I mean, you can just spoon it out and eat it. I think I ate off of that for like a week and a half. I don't like chocolate, like straight chocolate. Like, I don't like brownies. I don't like chocolate cake. I don't like straight chocolate ice cream. I like chocolate in itty bitty small doses, like chocolate chip cookies, little pieces of small chocolate. Hershey's Kisses, I don't like stuff like that. It doesn't do anything for me. Yeah, I love chocolate dip strawberries. That's another one of my favorites. Cookie dough, raw cookie dough, and with pecans and chocolate dip strawberries. 2 of my favorite things. Other than that, I don't do chocolate. I don't do chocolate milk. I don't do it. And I don't like dark chocolate. I only like milk chocolate. So, you know, dark chocolate has that aftertaste, but we won't get into that. I love online shopping. It's just so convenient, and to me it seems like you get more discounts when you shop online versus when you're actually at the store. And of course you don't have to deal with the people and the crowds and parking and all that other kind of crap. So I love online shopping. I do it a lot. I'm not like crazy with it. Before I had my son, I used to be like crazy with it. I would be up in my room. I would be like up online shopping for makeup till like 2 or 3 in the morning, sometimes 4. Now it's not as bad, but I literally could be anywhere and I could be shopping on my phone. I just do everything from my phone. I do everything from my phone. And online shopping is one of them. it's just a weakness. I don't know. And it makes me feel good at night knowing I have packages and new stuff coming in the mail. Like over the last, I think December, I ordered some makeup, some shoes. I bought some shoes, some clothes. I did go to Sephora and buy a foundation, but that's because I was with a friend. I did that. And I actually went to Ulta and bought more skincare products. I don't know if you guys have seen my last video that I did. But I just recently purchased more skincare products this week, I believe. I actually went to Ulta to do that. But online shopping is more my thing. Sends me over the edge. It's like it gives me a high to just, next subject. Some people find this awkward, but I've only been to one concert in my entire life. Of course, it was a Beyonce concert, and it was a 4th of July weekend. It was when she was doing the Single Ladies thing, that album. She came to Houston. It was the 4th of July, I think 2007, 8, or 9, something like that. I want to say it was July 2009. Somebody that I wanted to go to for my birthday, but he was completely sold out. I wanted to go to him last year, Bruno Mars. I love him. Dude from the Gap Band, what's his name? Charlie Wilson. I like to see Charlie Wilson. I take that back. You know what? I take that back. I went to, when we were kids, we went to a gospel concert for John P. Key. I like him too. He was actually my first concert. So I've only actually been to 2 concerts my whole life. I wanted to go to the Escape concert, but my friends, my sisters, I don't know what happened. Same thing with the Bruno Mars. It's like trying to get, you know, you want to go with a group of your friends and sisters and all that kind of stuff. Trying to get everybody together to do it. So that concludes this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my little few moments of chatter. I wanted to share just a little bit about myself with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned. I have more content on the way. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also, too, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.